UK Freedom Audits, and we're here in Durham County, England, HM Prison Durham. And it's 2 PM, Saturday the 2nd, and I've just seen several visitors going in, so I assume that they're 2 PM visits, and so I have done one or two takes and made sure that I kept them out of my frames, just out of respect for them. And here's a van coming out of the internal of the prison. And for viewers outside of the UK, this is how prisoners are transported to and from courts and back to their prisons, etc. in one of these vans like that. And this prison, built in 1819, although what you see there is certainly a lot newer than that, and it holds just over 1,000 prisoners. So. Nakois, does dim challenge, Seisnig? No, I don't have to.
Yeah, you do. Video.
Read, mate. Read. Okay.
You're videoing the prison.
Doesn't matter.
You can't do that.
Yeah, I can. Listen, I'm on a public sidewalk.
Yeah, but you can't video vehicles coming out.
Rubbish, mate.
Yeah.
Rubbish. Absolute rubbish.
What grounds are you doing it on?
Yeah, read and learn. Taking photographs from a public space is perfectly legal, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Nothing whatsoever. If the prison didn't want me to film their building, they should put up a wall inside, right here.
See, what's your point?
That's my point.
No, you video me though.
I'm sorry?
As a personal one,
no, you can't. No, well, you can't.
I can't.
Well, you can ask. Yeah.
You
can ask. Yeah. But I'm not doing anything illegal.
Yeah, but what are you going to do with the video I make?
No, that's not illegal.
No, I'm asking what you're going to do with it.
What am I going to do with it? Whatever I want.
But I might know what you might put on social media. I might not want myself on social media.
Well, you'd have to sue me civilly.
I'm asking you civilly. That's what I'm
Yeah,
doing.
but the thing is, it's perfectly legal for me to do. Right. Usually, I carry another sign here, which gives you it's the Criminal Justice Act, Section 26, which deals with you taking away my rights unlawfully. Yeah, but you're telling me to turn my camera off, and I'm not going to.
I asked.
Well, you said I'm filming the prison. Well, I'm perfectly can.
Yeah, and that's why are you doing it?
Because it's a freedom that's slowly being eroded away by police, like you approaching me. A few years ago, the police would be stealing this camera from me and deleting the images. No, of course I'm not a threat. I was out at Franklin a couple of weeks ago, and one of your sergeants came out. I can't remember his name now. He's pretty decent.
I'm sure you'll find most of us decent. Obviously, we had concerns initially.
Yeah. Well.
Now I've read your sign and I've talked to you. I realise that you're a threat to this.
Yeah, of course. And the other thing is like it's perfectly legal for me to film any shots, but I'm mindful that these people are coming to visit the family, so I don't take any images of these people. You know? Yeah. Well, I'm not concerned. I mean, you know.
They would be.
Well.
Registration.
Yeah, but what can a person do with the registration? Nothing.
Well, yeah, because somebody can say, well, I know who that staff car is now. Yeah, it's an opportunity getting in the car.
But you could come here and you know, the thing is, what the point is that you can't prosecute my eyes, right? Right. Yeah, so you know, and if someone feels alarmed by me doing it, right? Well, their alarm doesn't trump my right to do it. So
it gives them the right to ask you to stop.
Well,
take into consideration how they may be feeling. That's what I'm.
Yeah, but I'm not here. I'm not here for somebody's feelings. I'm here for a particular right, and the right that is being eroded.
And you've demonstrated that.
Yeah.
And you're demonstrating that.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm asking you to be mindful of other people's feelings as well.
Well, like I said, I'm not.
And you've demonstrated that. That's fair.
Yeah.
I'll feed that back to the prison.
Yeah. Right. Well, this is part of it. Is that when people get alarmed by it, or they don't like it, and they call you guys,
I'm from the prison.
Yeah.
I'm from the prison.
Right. So you're not a police officer.
No, I'm from the prison.
Right.
I'm concerned about security in the prison.
Well,
so,
I can go on Google Maps and see this.
Yeah, now I've talked to you, I realise that that's not fair.
Right.
But you have to find out, don't you?
Well, no. Not really. Usually I've got a mask on, so.
Right, okay,
You know,
yeah, but even then by talking to you, I understand that even if you wear a mask, I didn't
But
threatened by you.
but it's just been taken off me. I've been see, the thing is with England is not too bad, but Scotland, they don't respect your right whatsoever. So yeah, no worries.
So you're not getting any visitors going in?
No, I'm packing up shortly. I'm going out somewhere else. So.
And you're not videoing any staff?
No. Well, if they come and view my camera, then they're going to be videotaped. Like this is well. The other thing is that you get people that don't want to be filmed.
My neighbours
That's
don't
fine.
know what I do. And I don't
Yeah.
want them to know.
Yeah, but thing is, I get people coming right in my face saying, "Don't film me." Well, you should have stayed over there, not come in front of my camera. What? I mean, how?
It's stood across the road and shouting to you.
Yeah.
I don't think about you.
Anyway.
So on a personal note, I'm asking you if you just do that on the internet, you don't pay anything with me, and that's what I'm asking my personal note.
Well, you know, if
It's reasonable.
you know, sometimes when stories get picked up, so you know, if some media picks up the story, they might publish it. So you know, it's nothing to do with me. Like, you know, that's it. So are you working now, or?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm going to cease contact now because I'm narrating as well. So all right. Yeah. You take care. Oh, nasty dog in there, guys. Hey. What is it? All right. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Like, in 1819, this place opened, and this. Right. I don't know why I bothered, you know. I seen it, yeah, and I thought, is he so fucking... Anyway, he's gone inside. Right, guys, anyway, that was an interesting interaction. This, as I mentioned, this camera is a new camera, so I'm not sure how the battery's going to go, so I'm going to cut it off here now because we've had a little bit of a change, and I'm going to head out to my next location, which I'll be posting on YouTube this evening. Take care, guys. UK Freedom Audits.